Can electrolytes and other supplements make up for the deficiencies of purely carnivore diets? The short answer is yes and no. Yes, when it comes to specific nutrients such as vitamin C. If you supplement that, obviously you'll get that. But no, because what plant foods bring in is a lot more than just vitamin C or just this or that particular nutrient or functional compound. They bring in an estimates range in the tens of thousands of different phytochemicals, only which a minority are well studied and known today. They bring in fiber, and fiber is not just one nutrient that you take a pill and boom, you solve the problem. Fiber, again, is a whole family of compounds and products with a variety of roles and functions in disease prevention and health. And besides that, in plant foods, if you eat them as close to their natural state as possible, they bring in all this goodness in a matrix, which you don't get when you extract a specific supplement and you just take that in. So for that reason, I think it's a better solution than nothing, but it's far still from ideal to supplement.